In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock an image inside Microsoft Word. When you insert an image into a Microsoft Word document, you may notice that the image can be selected and moved around. This can become inconvenient when you want the image to stay in a specific position and prevent it from being moved accidentally. To lock the image in place, start by selecting the image in your document. Once the image is selected, cut it by pressing the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+X. This removes the image from its current position while keeping it ready to be placed somewhere else in the document. Next, double-click inside the header area of the document. This will activate the header and footer area and allow you to work with content placed there. With the header and footer area active, press Ctrl+V to paste the image into the header. The image will now be part of the header rather than the main editing area of the document. At this point, reposition the image as needed. Move it to the exact location where you want it to appear on the page. Once you're satisfied with its position, close the header and footer area by clicking the Close button, or simply press the Escape key. Now, when you return to the main document, you'll notice that the image can no longer be selected from the regular editing area. This helps prevent the image from being accidentally moved or modified. The image can still be accessed if someone opens the header and footer area again. If you want to go a step further and fully block access to the image, you can use Word's document protection settings. Start by selecting File, then choose Info. From there, select Protect Document and choose Restrict Editing. In the right sidebar, check the box that says Allow only this type of editing in the document. Make sure that No Changes is selected from the drop-down menu. Next, click into the document and press Ctrl+A to select all of the content. In the Exceptions area of the sidebar, check the box for Everyone. This allows the main editing area to remain editable, while the protected areas, including the header and footer, remain restricted. Finally, select Yes, Start Enforcing Protection. Word will then ask you to enter a password. After the protection is applied, the header and footer area will no longer be editable, while the main document area can still be edited because of the exception you selected. This gives you greater control over the image and helps keep its position protected while allowing changes to the rest of the document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.